Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to buy and sell on Metatrader 5. Metatrader 5 is a popular trading platform used by traders around the world to trade various financial instruments. To get started, you will need to download and install the Metatrader 5 platform from the official Metatrader website. Once you have installed the platform, you will need to open a demo or live account with a broker that supports Metatrader 5. This will give you access to the platform and allow you to start trading. The first step in buying or selling on Metatrader 5 is to open the platform and navigate to the Market Watch window. This window displays a list of available financial instruments that you can trade. From here you can select the instrument you want to trade and click on the Buy or Sell button to open a new order window. In the order window, you will need to specify the type of order you want to place. There are several types of orders available, including market orders, limit orders, stop orders, and stop limit orders. A market order is an order to buy or sell at the current market price. A limit order is an order to buy or sell at a specified price. A stop order is an order to buy or sell when the price reaches a specified level. A stop limit order is a combination of a stop order and a limit order. You will also need to specify the volume of the order, which is the number of units of the instrument you want to buy or sell. Once you have specified the order type and volume, you can click on the Buy or Sell button to place the order. To manage your open positions, you can use the trade window. From here you can close open positions, modify existing orders, and open new positions. You can also use the trade window to set stop loss and take profit levels for your open positions. It is also important to use risk management techniques when trading on Metatrader 5. This includes setting stop loss levels, using leverage wisely, and not risking more than you can afford to lose. In conclusion, buying and selling on Metatrader 5 is a straightforward process that requires some practice to master. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using the various tools and features available on the platform, you can become a successful trader. Remember to always use risk management techniques and to never risk more than you can afford to lose.